Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Got a package in the mail. Oh. What do we have here? Somebody's thinking of my security. 120 decibels, 12 volt. Oh, ear piercing. Good stuff. So I'm going to have various systems in various places when I'm done. More than one, more than two, a lot more than three. It's going to be good. Got a box in the mail. Alright, this is something I've been waiting for that came early. Oh, nice. Alright, this was a really affordable, I can't believe it's true, 30 amp solar charge controller. But even if it's not really 30 amps, it's pretty impressive for I think it was $20. Yeah, it says 30 amp. Well, you never know. Up to 50 volts, solar panel power. Up to 390 watts for 12 volts. 780 watts for 24 volt system. So, I can only run 390 watts because these are going to be 12 volt systems running my surveillance and alarm systems. So, each of these will be running a couple cameras and a couple alarms. And I'm going to eventually have multiple units around the property. But about one pack for now. And we'll see how it goes. So I'll probably set these up in a small unit first just to show you. But I'm not going to show you where I put them in the final stuff. But I'll give you a final review later. Good morning everybody. Just some little update. It has been busy around here. We're almost out of everything. It's looking pretty scarce. Don't have much left dry. Let me see the other side. Yeah, there's another empty slot. Everything else is wet. Actually, this batch here should be done pretty soon. That's from the tree service. That'll be done relatively soon. I think I got a little bit on the other side, but this is going to take some time. And the stuff up front was on the ground, so that is going to take a long time. I've got some here to process. Hopefully I'll get to some of that today. Now that snow's off it. Let me go back around the other side again. Oh yeah, that was my last dry wood there. Yeah, we're pretty much tapped out. That's all I've got is like some pine here. These are really wet. Really wet. Those aren't going to be done for any time soon. Some of this here. If I wanted to, I can see some that'll be ready to burn. If I really need to, I can restack some of these, but that's a lot of work. Because some of this stuff is dry, but most of it won't be at all anytime soon. So there's that. That massive pile we had on the ground here. Actually, look. All of that. It's been cold, I'm telling you, it's been cold. Everything, you remember how big those wood piles were? It's gone. We burnt all that. It's gone. It's all gone. We've had temperatures consistently in the teens and low 20s for a long time. We've had some occasional nicer days, or nights I should say, but we've had consistent brutally cold, unnormally cold temperatures. So we're burning like we're in January. And in October, we've had January-like temperatures. So we burn a lot of wood this year. More than I thought we would. Way more than I really thought we would. Good thing is, I'm constantly bringing in more. So I've got to get back out there and keep processing. Now you might ask why I haven't done anything with all this in the last week. Well, that's because I'm still working on alarms and security. When I'm done, there's going to be 2 to 3 layers of everything. I'm going to have 3 layers of cameras in every location. I'm going to have 2 to 3 layers of alarms in every location. It's got to be. Until the authorities do their job, I have to keep out the bad guys. I just have to keep working and working. So that's all I've done in an entire week, this whole Thanksgiving week. All I did was improving our security systems, alarms, cameras, and I still have more to do. I won't be done. I won't be satisfied until there's multiple layers of everything around 360 degrees. So there's no way to defeat. Because of when my machines were harmed, I also noticed that some of my cameras have been destroyed, and I've been fixing that as well and making sure that'll never happen again. It's a lot of work. It's a lot. I can't share much about it, so this whole last week hasn't been much video. But with this brief update, I want to get this up to you guys and at least give you that for now. Hopefully I'll work on some firewood today some, and I'm going to start working less and less on the security and more on the firewood as I start getting to the level that I want it to be at. Even the wooden fencing will have another layer. So it's got to be. It just has to be.